Hey guys, in this video today we are going to go over how to stretch out your back. A nice little flow that you guys can follow along with me at home or watch and pause the video and try it yourself. And if it works, just flow through it multiple times and use it. My name is Dr. Dawn and I work at Performance Place Sports Care. I'm just one part of the locally world famous chiropractors here in Orange County, California. If you guys like this video and it works for you, please comment below. We would love to hear what did and didn't work for you so we can make more videos based off of that. Again, also, this is just one part of a whole series of how to stretch out your insert whatever here, your hip, your low back, your neck. If you guys have multiple areas of complaint, go to our channel, like and subscribe, search in the search bar, low back pain, neck pain, whatever it may be, or stick around after the video. It might hop right back into the second part of the video series. So we're going to get right into it. I want to talk a little bit about the specific movements of your spine first, and then we're going to show you how to challenge those movements and stretch them out as we go forward from here. So everybody knows that your spine should be able to flex, it should be able to extend, it should be able to laterally flex or go from one side to the other, and it should be able to rotate. Certain areas of the spine can do that better than others, so your mid-back cannot rotate like your neck can. But we're still going to challenge all of those movements in each part of your spine through this flow today. So you can watch me first and then try it on your own at home, or you can get down on the floor and do it with me. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get down onto our stomach like so. And of course, you guys don't push yourself through any pain. If you're having pain with any of these, just come to the point of pain and right out of it. Find a pain-free range of motion. Or just take the one that's painful out altogether and just use the other ones that feel pretty good for you, okay? So we're going to start off with 5. We're going to do 5 movements of everything. So this one here is challenging extension. This specific movement works really, really, really well for people who are in very flexed positions all the time, when sitting too long or when doing certain lifts like squats and deadlifts. Sometimes just going into extension like this feels really good for them, okay? So we're going to challenge this one for one more rep. And each time you do it, I want you to extend the head back as well and challenge extension into your neck. So let's do a couple more just like that. Extend in the low back, extend through the neck. One more time, extend through the low back, extend through the neck. And now we're going to go into tabletop position here. Before we challenge flexion, we want to make sure we can do it in a safe way first. So we're going to do cat-cow. Some of you guys may have seen this, some of you may have not, but we're going to start with chin to chest. Okay, push through my hands so my mid-back comes up towards the ceiling, and then squeeze my glutes, and now I round in my low back. And this is what we call angry cat. And then we reverse that. Stick the butt out and extend through the low back, sink through the mid-back, and look up at the ceiling. And repeat. Chin, mid-back, low back, and reverse. Low back, mid-back, and neck. Okay? We're going to do this again. Each time I want you to envision yourself moving one vertebra at a time, all the way up and down your spine. And don't forget to breathe. That's always very important. Let's do this one more time. Roll through it and roll out of it. Okay, now in this position, we're going to sit our butt back. Play with your knee position. You can go a little wider if you need to for your hips, but sit back, reach out, and come back up. Sit back, reach, and come back up. Let's do this one more time. Reach, sit back, and come back up. Now we'll challenge the lateral bending of the spine in that same position, but we're going to take our hands and we're going to reach one direction here and then sit back and come up. Sit back and come up one more time. Sit back as far or as little as you want to, you guys. You listen to your bodies, but let's go to the other side and repeat. Sit back and up back. You might feel a stretch through underneath the armpit, the side of the body. Shouldn't be painful. Awesome. And then we're going to roll onto our backs. And this one may seem really familiar for some of you, but I'm going to add something a little different. So people like to stretch out their back like this, right? But I don't want you to passively go through this. What I want you to do is when you bring your knee up like this, I want you to activate your core. So I want you to pretend like somebody's about to punch you in the stomach and you have to stiffen up that core to protect yourself before they punch you. So keep that stiffness and practice breathing in and out of that stiffness. Keep it, but still breathe. And on the next one, rotate that leg to the side while keeping that stiffness. And out. Let's do one more. Stiff belly, control, and switch sides. Stiff belly, breathe, and rotate. Stiff belly, breathe, and rotate. And that, you guys, is a very simple flow that you can use in the morning and night. Do as many reps as you want. I say 5 of each one, 5 extensions, 5 rotations on each side, 5 lateral bends, and 5 flexion. But you guys can flow through it over and over and over again if you like, or just use it once. But it's really important to take your spine through these motions and feel what your body is feeling. If you guys find these sticky points, maybe just breathe through those sticky points, but don't push through pain. If certain movements, again, hurt, please don't push through them. Actually, comment below and let us know which movement is hurting for you, and maybe we can recommend something a little bit different that might be safer for your spine. Okay, you guys, so if that works for you, again, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to continue to share certain things for your back that can help. We have tons of educational videos that you guys can hop on and listen to if you guys want to know what might be causing some of the pain that you're having. We have exercises and stretches as well for low back, for neck, for shoulder, for hips. So check out our channel, comment below, you guys. If you want some help and some guidance through some of the pain that you guys are having and recommendations on what we might think is best for you, but please just reach out and we would love to help you. You can call us or you can email us. We're here for you. Talk to you guys soon.